Hello and welcome back to Core Finance. I'm Matt Brown. I'm joined by Nicole, Elliott, who is a technical analyst and a private investor. And we're going to look at the Euro Stoxx 50 on the weekly charts. Bit different, slightly different from the S&P and the FTSE that we've looked at earlier on, but looking at the weekly here. Where are we going with this one? Interesting.
Well, first of all, we're certainly not at record high. I mean, we're a long way below record high, actually. Record high was at 5,200. We're currently at 3,150, so a bit more than half.
To fill.
Yeah, we've lost about, we've lost a good third of our money. What you've then got on the weekly chart, and I'm afraid it's rather small, but the point is that earlier this year and now again this month, we've stalled and sort of keeled over at a Fibonacci retracement level, a 61% from that high on the left to that low that you see on the screen. So what we did, like the FTSE, is we've got a sort of little rounded top at that level. It's quite neat, it's quite tidy. It also coincides with a descending trend line, that red one. So you've got quite a few things going. On the weekly, last week already we had a bearish engulfing candle, and now we've seen the follow through when we broke above the sort of horizontal support level. We've had another push down on this one. Now this one already, we've seen a death cross some time ago.
Yeah,
it was
that was a few
can you
months
see
ago,
it? Yeah. It looked as if it was going to sort itself out to the bullish side, and it might do still, because the two moving averages are so close together, aren't they? Very close together.
The lockstep almost, aren't they? Yeah.
I'm not sure. And no, this one is definitely an avoid.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely an avoid, I'm afraid.
No long, no short. You've got the option to do nothing.
I'm a little bit short, but not much, because I'm not confident. And again, you've got such very disparate companies, different concepts pulling these, with everybody thinking Germany's fantastic, which I dispute, but anyway, that's my view. And then you've got things like Catalonia, Lombardy, Veneto, Banco Popular today. I mean, it's just, it's
a real
we've got
mishmash
problems.
of companies and no real direction. But one to look out for, maybe, if it can figure out its direction, but certainly in the moment, just
I do find also, Matt, sometimes these index of an index of an index, you're not really sure what you're looking at anymore, if you know what I mean. Likewise, so for example, on currencies, I want to see the real, the core. If I'm worried about the pound, I'll look at the pound against the Swiss, the pound against the dollar, the pound against the, and then make up my own mind, rather than use some sort of Bank of England index of poundy things. No, not for me.
All gets too messy, too many moving parts. Strip it down and just deal with what you know. But on that note, Nicole, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you.